Yes. Who have any difficulty? स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता ह्य सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। तेजोसि तेजोमयि देहि वीर्यमसि वीर्यं मयि देहि बलमसि बलं मयि देहि ओजोसि ओजो मयि देहि मन्युरसि मन्युं मयि देहि सहोसि सहो मयि देहि। सेल्फलेस यूनिवर्सल प्रेयर। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु सर्वः सर्वत्र नन्दतु। May all be happy. May all be free from diseases, free from difficulties, free from dangers. May all realize what is good. May all see what is good. May all do what is useful to others. May all be enlightened everywhere. May all be happy everywhere, healthy everywhere. May all be peaceful everywhere. Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Now I will chant the Gayatri Mantram 3 times. All of you know it. Please repeat mentally or orally along with me. Full concentration, devotion and Vishwasam. Ekagrata, Bhakti and Vishwasam. Combine these 3. Om Bhurбhuvah Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhuvah Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। We meditate on the spiritual effulgence of that adorable, supreme divine reality, the source of the three phenomenal worlds. May that supreme divine being stimulate our intelligence so that we may realize the supreme truth. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Now let us take up chanting of the Dhyana Shlokas of the Gita. Bhagavad Gita Dhyana Shlokas. Please open the book. Those who have memorized can close your eyes and chant. Slowly I will chant without gap. That means all of you along with me continue. 5 times Omkaram. Take a deep breath. पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणी भगवती अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्ब त्वाम् अनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्रा येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयत्रतजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण घोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्य वचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्तगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पंकजं कलिमलः प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्र रुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः। We meditate my salutations to that supreme being whom Brahma, Varuna, Indra and Rudra glorify by divine hymns, whom singers of Saman praise by chanting the Veda with all the complementary parts, sections and Upanishads, whom yogins intute with minds concentrated in meditation and whose limit neither the hosts of Devas nor of Asuras know. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Namaste, Subhodayam. Let us chant a few shlokas of the 13th chapter and then meditate over those shlokas, please. As a revision, quickly, shlokas number 1 to 6 without repetition, or see the books and keep chanting. Slowly I will chant so that you will be able to follow. Other students, please open your camera, please. अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः. The blessed Lord said, this body is called the kshetra, the field. He who knows it, the field as his property, is the kshetrajna, or the spirit who knows the field. So say those versed in this subject. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi sarvakshetreshu bharata. Kshetrajnayor gnanam yatta gnanam matam mama. Know me, O Sion of the Bharata race, to be the kshetrajna, the spirit in all the kshetras, bodies. The knowledge of the distinction between kshetra and kshetrajna alone is real knowledge according to me. Tat kshetram yachaya drikcha yadvikari yataschayat sachayo yat prabhavascha tat samasena me shruno. Hear from me in brief what the kshetra is, of what nature it is, what its modifications are, and from what causes what effects have sprung. Also know who the kshetrajna is and what his powers consist in. Rishibhir bahuda gitam Chandobhir vividhaih pratak Brahma sutra padais chaiva Hetu madbhir vinischitaihi. In many different ways have the rishis sung about this subject in meters of varying description. The well-reasoned and definitive aphorisms of the Brahma Sutras too have discussed it. Mahabhutanyahankaro buddhiravyaktamevacha indriyani dashaikancha panchachendriya gocharaha ichcha dvesha sukham dukkham sanghataschetana dhritihi Etat kshetram samasena savikaramudahrtam. The five great elements, Pancha Mahabhutas, the eye sense, the intellect, and the unmanifested matter. The 10 organs along with the mind as the 11th, and the 5 objects of the senses, desire, hatred, pleasure, and pain. The body, consciousness, and will. Such is a brief description of the kshetra with all its modifications. All its modifications. Very important point. So what is Kshetra? That which he has 4 or 5 modifications, vikaras. First, it is in the avyakta state, in the seed state. There is no name, no form. Then it takes a form. Avyakta becomes vyakta. Then slowly we call it a baby. Then that baby is growing. There's a modification at the first level. Slowly it enters into teenage. 10, 11, 12, 13 goes on and on. Body is growing, maturity comes, and so many other things come with the body, in the body, within the body. Then we call it youth, between 18 years and 30 years. Then middle age will start, 35 to 55. You can call it middle age. Then slowly the other side, going towards old age, not exactly old age. And the different parts of the body becomes slowly weakened. Is it not? Diseases will come, eyesight will reduce, etc., etc. Then what happens? We call it old age. 70, 75. Slowly the fellow is bending, drooping. We call him an old man. That is only in the body, mind you. Body, body, body. Kshetra, kshetra, kshetra. Then finally, diseases will increase. Body will collapse. It won't wake up. It won't get up. It cannot walk. And one day, the jiva, the embodied soul, breaks itself from the cage called the body and merges in the other levels of life. Depends on his actions, depends on his desires. So, from childhood, body has taken the modifications, vikaras, 6 modifications, from jara, birth to marana. But inside the body, there is the dehi. Another name for body is deha. Shariram, kshetram. Who is inside the body? Kshetri, dehi, jiva. This is to be kept in mind. So kshetra, kshetragna, the field and the knower of the field. I remains constantly. You say, I. When I was a child, when I went to school, when I went to office, when I went to college. So the I is a common denominator that is not changing at all. That is part of your life, part of your consciousness. So that I should not become a trouble to others. Ahankaranga marakodadu. Pogaru. In Telugu we call it pogaru. Ahankara. There is something called a pride. Pride. The lion's pride. Think that you are the Atman. So all these put together, Kshetra and Kshetragna, 5 names they have given to understand different layers of our consciousness, of our concentration, where the mind is stuck up. So in meditation, what we do, what we are supposed to do without any hesitation and doubt and difficulty. Sharira madhyam kalu dharma sadhanam. Body is the primary means of practicing dharma. Now you see, Patanjali Yoga Sutras, very important for meditators. Yama, Niyama. These 2 are one compartment. Yama, Niyama. In Yama, what are there? 5 branches All of you know it. Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha. These five, one department called moral discipline or mental discipline. Now, the second part of that discipline is physical discipline. Shaucha, Santosha, Swadhyaya, Tapas, Ishvara Pranidhanaha. There is another five branches, five departments called Niyama. Niyamalu. Niyam in Hindi. Karna hi padega. So 5 and 5, 10 moral values. This is in general personality development. Yama Niyama, if you follow, you are a developed personality or developing personality. But follow that, practice that, practice that, practice that. And third part, third level of your Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Ashtanga Yoga is Asanam. Yogasanam. Remember that. Yogasanam, Yogasanam, Surya Namaskaram, and other asanas which you are supposed to learn. Then comes what? Pranayama, is it not? Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, Bastrika Pranayama, Kapalabhati, Brahmari Pranayama. This is a big science. It's a different university altogether. Pranayama University. There's a beautiful book, authentic book called Light on Yoga. The Light on Yoga, authored by Sri B.K.S. Iyengar ji. B.K.S. Iyengar, one of the authoritative yoga masters of our country, of the whole world, in fact. Outstanding. He was from Karnataka, but settled down in Pune. His disciples have got different schools in Mysore, in Bangalore, etc. So B.K.S. Iyengar Yoga, School of Yoga, is authoritative in India, in the world. So his class notes is Light on Yoga and Pranayama. Another book called Pranayama. In detail, he has given Yogasanas and Pranayama. It is worth reading, and some of the things you can practice. Some of the things. You cannot do everything, but at least 2-3% you can practice. You can learn. You can go to a guru, go to an institute and learn. And learn not just for 1 day or 2 days, for at least 3-4 years. So, why I am telling you this, understand the difficulties and the success in meditation. Unless and until you take care or master your body physically and emotionally, and as far as health is concerned, you cannot sit in meditation. Mind will be only on the body. 10 minutes, okay. 11th minute onwards, my body, my body, my body, my body. You'll be jumping like a frog. Na shariram, na shariram. Are no shariram kadaya. No atma. My body. Hare. How can I say my body? This is the obsession. See, all of us in this chapter, Krishna says, there are 2 knots in one. 2 knots in one. Interlocked. What is that? Chit Jada Granthi. Chit Jada Granthi. Granthi means what? Knot. Mudi. Gettiga kattibita. Chit is consciousness or matter or mind. Mind body, mind body, body mind, mind body, body mind. If the body is healthy, mind is healthy. If the mind is healthy, body is healthy. But both are not coming together. Mind will be happy, body will have a problem. Granthi. So it has to collaborate. We have to remove the knot. Slowly, slowly, slowly. That is yoga. So Pancha koshas. Remember Pancha koshas? I might have told in earlier classes. Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Manomaya kosha, and Vijnanamaya kosha. Lastly, Anandamaya kosha. These are the coverings. These are the different covers of the mind of the Atma. Whether Atma is ever shining. Over that, Anandamaya kosha, very thin layer of covering, a very thin screen. A little thicker screen, another 10% thicker, Vijnanamaya kosha. Still thicker, another 50%, Manomaya kosha, covering. Still thicker, Pranamaya kosha. And very hard, very materialistic, Annamaya kosha. So now Kshetra, Kshetragna. Think about it. What does Krishna says in the fifth and sixth shlokas, please? Panchamahabhutas, Agni Tattvam, Tattvam. They are not as it is. The subtle element of the gross element is there. Tanmatras. In yoga, it is called Tanmatras, in a subtle form, in the energy form. There is this tube light, LED on my head, in your room, in your house. And in that there is a filament, bulb, filament is there. Filament has got its own power. But that power is actuated by the real power called Vidyut Shakti, electricity. Yes or no? You cannot say, you should not say, oh, I purchased a nice imported bulb from America, China, Japan. And you simply decorate in your house without lighting it. What is the use? It has got power, but it has no value. Whether China, Japan, India, America, bulb, you should have Telangana electricity only. You should have Maharashtra electricity only, is it not? Electricity again is same, universal, drawn from water, drawn from the atmosphere, drawn from the waves. So electricity is that one. Filaments are different. The voltages are different. The manifestation is different. In a 0-watt bulb, how can you get 500 watts electricity or power, brightness? It will burst. So similarly, my body, your body, and all other bodies. You may be born in America, somebody in Australia, somebody in Adilabad, somebody in Hyderabad, somebody in Bangalore, somebody in some village, no problem. But what is important is the Chaitanya, Sakshi Chaitanya, the Antaratma, the Jiva. So 5 great elements. Then what is there? Called Kshetra, Ahankaram, Buddhihi, Indriyani Dashaikancha. See, one by one you have to slowly understand and eliminate. All these are having modifications. Pranamaya kosha, Annamaya kosha, they are together. Then Manomaya kosha is one entity, which is a combination of Dasha Indriyas. Then there is Vijnanamaya kosha, Buddhi and Ahankara. Then finally Anandamaya kosha. These 5 in the Kshetra are put into 3 blocks, 3 building blocks. Number 1, Sthula Sharira. Kshetra or Sharira, they are the same. symbolic terms. Sthula. Gross body. Behind the gross body, what is there? Sukshma Sharira. Sukshma. What is the translation of Sukshma? Subtle body. Subtle body. Electricity is subtle. Prana Shakti is subtle. Our mind is subtle. All this is put together in Sukshma Sharira. Then what is the third box, third building? Karana Sharira. Causal body. Translation is Karana, cause. From there, the Sthula comes out. Whatever we do outside, it gets packed up, stored up. Where is it stored up? In the Sukshma Sharira. More and more we are doing. That becomes the cause of the problem. Karana Sharira. Again you are embodied, again you are born, again because of Karana Sharira. So what is our attention? Where is our attention? Where is our concentration? It is only on the body and the mind. As soon as you get up in the morning, your best friend is not your mother, father, brother, sister, but your Sharira. You have to polish the Sharira. You have to polish your brush, mouth, teeth, take bath, then afterwards coffee, biscuit, breakfast. All this is Sharira. My God. What a master plans we make, is it not? Morning 5 o'clock, we are planning for night 8 o'clock dinner. What fun. Because obsession. But the yogi, the meditator, he is not bothered about evening, he is bothered about now. Now what I should do? How should I meditate? How long should I meditate? How many times I should chant the Omkara? How much should I concentrate on my Atma? That is his main priority. So, please understand the different topics, different terms that I've used. 3 kinds of body we have: Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira. 5 koshas we have: Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya. Able to understand? Keep it in mind. Then we have Pancha Pranas. That is also part of the body. Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samana. Prana Shakti is 5 branch. Prana, Apana, going inside and going down. Vyana, Udana, Samana. One for digestion, one for removing the waste from the body, one for your meditation, Samana, high BP, low BP, that is also controlled, and one which comes back in the reverse process, Shwasa, Nishwasa. So all these 5 combined with Indriyas, combined with the Manas, is Shariram, Kshetram. So please think about it when you are in meditation. Think about all this in meditation. What is the truth? What is the truth? Now it comes. On what you should meditate also, Krishna is telling, and how you should understand also, he will explain now. Okay. Now we take up shloka number 7. 7 to 11 is one subject, I told you yesterday. 7 to 11. You remember? Knowledge and its means. 7 to 11. So I'll be chanting, you are repeating, and I will tell the meaning also. Amanitvam adambhitvam. Repeat. Amanitvam adambhitvam. Ahimsa. Kshantirarjavam. Acharyopasanam. Shaucham. Sthairyam. Atmavinigraha. Acharyopasanam. Shaucham. Sthairyam Vinigraha. Indriyartheshu Vairagyam. Indriyartheshu Vairagyam. Anahankara evacha. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. Dukkha doshanudarshanam. Dukkha doshanudarshanam. Asakti ranabhishvangaha. Asakti anabhishvangaha. Putradaragrihadishu. Putradaragrihadishu. Nityancha samachittatvam. Nityancha samachittatvam. Ishta nishtopapattishu. Ishta nishtopapattishu. Mai chananya yogena. Mai chananya yogena. Bhaktiravya bhaktiravya Vivikta desha sevitvam. Vivikta desha sevitvam. Aratirjanma samsadi. Aratirjanma samsadi. Adhyatma gnana nityatvam. Adhyatma gnana nityatvam. Tattva gnanartha darshanam. Tattva gnanartha darshanam. Yetad gnanamiti. Yetad gnanamiti. Proktam. Agnanam yadatonyatha. Agnanam yadatonyatha. Now see the book and the meaning of it, which I am going to one by one. I will break into different sentences, different qualities. These are all qualities. Okay. Shloka number 7. Amanitvam. What is amanitvam? Absence of self-worshipfulness. Mana, avamana, amanitva. Self-importance or self-worshipfulness. So you have a lot of examples about this, about the opposite, self-importance, or we can call it VIP category, VIP treatment. If somebody catches somebody, hey, do you know who I am? Filmy argument. In films they do that, right? Hey, evaro telsa neenu? Ma nannagaru evaro telsi? Mee nannagaru evaru garu? He is one Sharira only. So all these arguments will spoil the rhythm in the society. You are troubling others by your ahankara. I am important. I am important. One earthquake and you will be very important. One tsunami, more important. Your bones also cannot be counted. You will become only chutney. You will become pachadi. Yesterday I told you 5 BMWs. Finally, what is his importance? Pack him up in a white PPE and send him to crematorium. But in yoga, amanitvam, absence of self-importance. Second, adambhitvam, unpretentiousness. Unpretentiousness, pretending, unpretending, or not pretending. Honesty, authenticity, transparency, clarity. These are modern management terms. Unpretentiousness. Don't pretend what you are not. Don't show off. As they say, a donkey cannot become a lion by wearing lion's dress. A donkey cannot become a lion by wearing a lion's uniform. Finally, what is the inside out? What does the lion do? It roars. What does the donkey do? It brays. So wonderful stories, examples are there. Be honest. Don't be pretending what you are not. Unpretentiousness. Adambhitvam, amanitvam, adambhitvam, ahimsa, non-violence. Patanjali Yoga Sutra also says first quality is ahimsa, ahimsa, ahimsa. Ahimsa paramo dharmaha. Next, kshantihi, patience, orpu, sahanam, forbearance, patience, patience, patience. Sahanam, sarvadukha nivaranam. Sahanam, sarvadukha nivaranam. If you catch common cold for any reason, infection, some viral problem, common cold. If you take medicine of any kind, the common cold will go in 7 days. If you don't take medicine, the common cold will go in 1 week. Understood? Your restlessness will not make it go, it will increase only. 1 week, 7 days. Shanti, kshanti, patience. But for satisfaction, what should we do? Take some medicine and do our work. Symptoms will reduce. At least you can have your coffee, you can go to college or go to office and do your work. Some satisfaction, but the cold, the viral virus will be there inside. So shanti, kshanti, kshanti, orpu, patience. A fruit of patience is always sweet. A fruit of patience is always sweet. Meditation lo, ido pedda problem. People read Vivek Chudamani, they read some other books, Aparokshanubhuti, Panchadashi, Shankara, Ramana Maharshi, and simply they come and tell, I want to practice Raja Yoga, I want to practice Aparokshanubhuti, I want to realize God tomorrow. Yes, you can realize tomorrow. Where? In the mental hospital. Mind will go in such a speed than the light speed, you will not be able to control. And finally, people will blame you, blame religion, and they will lose all interest. So, fruit of patience is always sweet. Be careful. Arjavam, next word, arjavam. Straightforwardness. Straightforwardness. So, it is better to talk with your leader, talk with your family. Of course, you have to be very, very cautious about it. Straightforwardness may create some hangama, create some misunderstanding, but your sincerity matters. Straightforwardness. Okay. Next. Service of the teacher. Acharyopasanam. Service of the teacher. Seva karo. Guru seva karo. That's where the ancient concept of Gurukula Vasa, service of the teacher, has come, and we call today in modern terms as voluntary service. Volunteering. Swayam Sevak. By giving up something, you do that seva. Your sleep, your hunger, your personal desires, all is kept out. You can do later, but you go and do the seva. For 1 hour or 2 hours, Guru Seva, Acharyo Pasana. Okay. Then Shaucham, this is also Patanjali Yoga Sutra Niyama, cleanliness. Internal, external. Manasika, Bhautika. Next, Sthairiam, steadfastness. Steadfastness. When you take up some work, be steadfast. Don't keep postponing, procrastinating, and avoiding. That is not good. You have to develop this attitude of steadfastness. Say some responsibility is given to you in your house, in your college, in the office, or something. Till another man comes and replaces it, you should not go. You should be there like a soldier, steadfast. Hold on to that post. That is real discipline. That is real dharma. Steadfastness, very important quality in leadership. And most important, Sthairiam, Atma Vinigraha. Atma Vinigraha, Atma, self, Nigraha, control. Self-control, self-discipline. Okay, self-mastery. Indriya Nigraha. What are the Indriyas? Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. So what you should see, what you should listen, what you should talk, what you should eat, what you should smell, what you should touch, they should have a dharma as their captain. Dharma. Dharmo rakshati rakshita. So whatever you see comes to the mind, I want to see, I want to listen, I will talk, something comes to the mouth. That is not Indriya Nigraham. That is only accident, crash, gate crash. Finished. Say all of you or majority of you know some driving, car driving. So if it is car driving example, you know, in the beginning, how difficult? Gear, clutch, brake, accelerator, steering. My God. Ee aidu cheyala. Idemtandi babu. Steering pattukovali. Clutch, brake, accelerator in the legs. Again with one hand, this I'm talking about Ambassador, I'm talking about other old cars. Today, no problem. Still more sophisticated and more high engineering cars have come. Mechanical cars have come. But when you take as Indriya Nigraha, so with the legs, operate 3. With the hand, steering. With another hand, gear changing. But where should your eyesight be? On the rasta. On the road. That is Indriya Nigraha. Pancha Indriya Nigraham, like clutch, brake, accelerator, steering, and your concentration on the road. In the beginning, very difficult, but after 1 month, 2 months practice, you are a master. You are an Olympic champion. So it is possible. That is one of the qualities which you have to develop. Next, Indriyarteshu Vairagyam, abhorrence of sensuality. Towards the sense objects, abhorrence. Vairagyam. Ragam, viragam. So in meditation, what will happen? So many thoughts will come. Desires will come. Memories will come. Or that instinct feeling that I should enjoy my censors. So when you start developing an amount of no philosophy, nakoddu, tell the mind, hey, what are you doing? Because of you, I have been troubled. Because of you, I lost my time. Because of you, I lost my values. Get out. So you are not entertaining any of the outside guests into your mind. ఉండేది చాలు, ఉండే వాసనలు తీయాలి కానీ ఇంకా బయట నుంచి రావయ్యా 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 అంటే వన్ డే పోవయ్యా వన్ డే పోవయ్యా, యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో. సో మోర్ రావయ్యా విల్ లీడ్ యూ టు పోవయ్యా. బీ కేర్ఫుల్. సమ్ కొన్నిసార్లు గేట్ బంద్ కర్నా పడేగా. ఎనఫ్ ఈజ్ ఎనఫ్, టూ మచ్ ఈజ్ టూ మచ్. దట్ ఈస్ ఇంద్రియ నిగ్రహం, overcoming sensuality. Self-effacement, anahankaram, self-effacement. Sri Ramakrishna was standing, was doing some garden work in Dakshineshwar, wearing a gamcha and putting a towel on his one banyan. The son of the manager of the Dakshineshwar temple came to see Sri Ramakrishna. The son of the manager of the Dakshineshwar temple, an important man, came to see Sri Ramakrishna, but he had not seen Sri Ramakrishna earlier. His father told, go and meet Paramahamsa Deva. And this Paramahamsa Deva, wearing one towel and one small shirt, is doing garden work. Beautiful flowers, hibiscus, marigold, jasmine, malipulu, all varieties. He coolly asked, hey, Mali, give me two hibiscus. That Mali quietly went, took some 2 hibiscus, gave it to the guest, so-called guest. And he is the son of the manager, mind you. Next important man. Paramahamsa gave, the Mali in the Paramahamsa gave. Then afterwards, this man went to Kali temple, Dakshineshwar, offered the flowers, made pranam, took prasad, went round pradakshinam, came to Sri Ramakrishna's room, and the same Mali is sitting there. Sri Ramakrishna is sitting there on the cot. By the time he had finished his washing, he put on his dhoti, etc., was sitting quietly, as if nothing happened. Imagine the embarrassment of that young boy who felt, I am great. But Sri Ramakrishna, no ahankara. No ahankara. Absolutely humble as a grass. So that quality, though it is a Paramahamsa quality, let us practice. At least 1%, 2% day by day, and remove our ahankara. Then Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Doshanu Darshanam. Perception of evil and misery in birth, death, old age, and sickness. This is Buddha's concept. Buddha saw dead body. Why is he sleeping like that? Then his charioteer said, he is not sleeping. Ye to gaya. His time is over. They are taking him to burial ground. Will I also die? Yes. Not only you, your wife will die, your son will die, your father will die. Everybody is temporary. Have that knowledge. Like that. Next. Asaktihi. Putra dara grihadishu. And asaktihi. Putra dara grihadishu asaktihi. In respect of son, wife, house, etc., detachment. Detachment from property and family members. Boat should be on the water, water should not be in the boat. That is detachment. Samsaranlo undu, samsaram neelo undakodadu. Live in the world, world should not live in you. Detachment. So that is also a very important quality. Then Anabhishwangaha. asaktir anabhishvangaha putradara grihadishu. Non-identification. Non-identification. Next, non-identification is your gadgets, your house, your property. You are not identified. You cannot say, I am the chair. You cannot say, you should not say, I am the mobile. I am the laptop. I am the house. I am the property. No. You are using the property for your physical comfort. You are not that. So try to maintain that difference. Ishtanishtopapatishu, in the attainment of the favorable and the unfavorable. Non-identification with, in the attainment of the favorable and the unfavorable. Next, Nityam, always, evenness of mind. Nityancha samachittatvam, samachitta. What is Yoga Sutra's definition of yoga? Yogas chitta vritti nirodha. What is Krishna telling here? Samachittatvam. Chitta is the waves in the mind or the mind stuff having buddhi, ahankara, manas, and the chitta. These four are on box. So instead of jumping about and restless and lot of waves, samachittatvam. When thought comes, either you neglect that thought or you kick the thought away. You neglect the thought, don't look at it. Or be bold to say, hey, bhag jao. Go away from here. Don't you know I'm meditating now? So some amount of regimentation, soldier-like, willpower. Hey, go. Because of you, I'm troubled. So keep on telling that, oh, that fellow will know I'm not welcome in this house. I'll go to my friend's house. So you kick that out from your mind. Either neglect it or shoot it. Don't allow it to come back again. Nowadays, mosquitoes are more, rainy season, mosquitoes. People are crazy of buying mosquito bat made in China. Like tennis bat, it is there, tennis bat. On the roadside, you are getting 20 rupees mosquito bat. I have seen somebody in the evening, they are going in the garden. They are simply doing like this. Pata, 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 pata. They are doing wonderful service to society by killing some mosquitoes. Great work. They should be given Padma Vibhushan. How many mosquitoes did you kill today? 5,000? Tomorrow 10,000 will come. What will you do? So you have to have some defense mechanism. Jokes apart. Right. Detachment, okay. Maichan anya yogena bhaktira vyabhicharini vivikta desha sevitvam aratir janma samsadi. Practice of unswerving devotion through contemplation on me as one's own. Wow. It's a very beautiful, very practical suggestion by Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Practice of unswerving devotion through contemplation on me as one's own. Tvameva mata, tvameva pita, tvameva bandhu, tvameva sakha, tvameva vidya, tvameva dravinam, tvameva sarvam, mamadeva deva. So it should not come only from your mouth. We should practice more and feel the oneness with God. God is my own. God is my mother, my father. This is not attachment. This will remove the worldly attachment and take you towards higher joy, Paramashanti, Paramananda. Resort to solitude and abhorrence of vulgar company. Avyabhicharini, unswerving devotion. Vivikta desha sevitvam, resort to solitude. Go to a quiet place. Come to Ramakrishna Math, sit in the temple, attend the bhajan, attend arati, quiet place. Nobody will disturb you. In a corner you can sit. So that is also very important. Solitude, abhorrence of vulgar company. Janasamsadi aratihi. Don't get stuck up in the world with all sorts of people and all sorts of resorts and things like that. So 11 shlokas, the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5 shlokas. We will just think again. Please sit straight and meditate. As you try to concentrate, first slow down the breathing, slow, slow, slow. Very slow inhalation, very slow exhalation. Very slow inhalation, very slow exhalation, please. As I read the points on Sharira and the values to be practiced, do the Shravanam properly, eyes closed, ears opened on what I am reading, and at the same time doing Mantana, churning the mind or sowing the seeds of these values and these concepts in your mind. Mahabhutani ahankaraha buddhiravyaktamev cha indriyani dashaikancha pancachendriya gocharaha ichchadvesha sukham dukkham sanghatas chetana dhriti etat kshetram samasena savikaram udahrutam. The 5 great elements, Mahabhutas, the eye sense, the intellect, and the unmanifested. The 10 organs along with the mind, the 5 objects of the senses, desire, hatred, pleasure, pain, the body, consciousness, and willpower is Kshetra with all its modifications. Now think of freedom from self-importance, amanitvam, absence of self-importance, adambhitvam, unpretentiousness, Tell yourself, I should not be pretending what I am not. Tell your mind, don't pretend. Ahimsa, non-violence, not harming others in your mind, in your thinking, by your speech and by your hands. Nature, animals, everything has got its own place. No himsa. Kshantihi, patience. Tell yourself, from today I will be practicing patience, acquire more patience. I may not have it, but that is not a problem. I can develop it. Develop the quality of patience, sahanam, forbearance, arjavam, straightforwardness. What is right, you should be telling it is right. But there's a nice way of telling, not being argumentative. Service to the teacher, acharyopasanam. Tell your mind, I will serve my guru, I will serve my teacher. If not physically, I will serve mentally also. Both should go, mentally, physically. But by your prayer, by your proper behavior, you serve your teacher. You repay the gratitude to your guru. Cleanliness, shaucham. From today, I am going to be very clean. In the room, in the house, in the street, in the market, in the office, in the college, in the library, in the playground, wherever I work, wherever I move, I shall be clean physically, I shall be clean mentally by the grace of God. Shaucham. Sthairiam, steadfastness. I shall hold on to the pillar. I shall not fall down. I shall practice this quality. Steadfastness. Atma vinigraha, self-control. What I see, what I listen, what I talk, what I do will be under control from today, from now. I'll put the brake wherever it has to be. I'll go forward by controlling or pressing the accelerator, or go slow by changing the gear. So these are all to be observed, be alert, and meditate properly. Indriyartheshu vairagyam. Your abhorrence, your vairagyam, renunciation of sense objects. Anahankaraha, self-effacement. Don't show your ego. Don't hurt others by your ego. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanu darshanam. Perception of evil and misery in birth, death, old age, and sickness. So this samsara in which you are born, in which all of us are born, full of this dukkham, full of this misery, full of evil. Detachment from property and family members. You may live with them, you may eat, play, talk, but then you know that these are all temporary relationships. Constant evenness of mind. Nityam samachittatva. Constant evenness. Not just for 1 hour, but later, 10:30, 11:30, evening, tomorrow. Alertness is very important. Whether it's favorable situation or unfavorable, tell your mind, hold on to the post, hold on to your concentration and higher devotion. Then we have to meditate on practice of unswerving devotion through contemplation on God, on our Ishtadevata as one's own. You meditate on Krishna, Rama, Shiva, Durga, Ganesha, Kartikeya, Sri Ramakrishna, any divine being, divine personality, divine incarnation. He is yours. Tvameva Mata, Tvameva Pita, Tvameva Bandhu, Tvameva Sakha, Tvame Dravya, Tvameva Vidya, Tvameva Sarvam, Mama Deva Deva. Vivikta Desha Sevitvam. Daily once or twice, or weekly once or twice, you go away from the busy market, from your busyness, from your family, friends and others, and maintain quietness, solitude. Sri Ramakrishna used to tell, monthly once, 3 days, you should say goodbye to the world and live in a forest, live in an ashram, meditate, chant do the Parayanam, spiritual practices, and then go back to work again. And give up worldly company, give up vulgar company. Adhyatma Gnana Nityatvam, constant application to the study of spiritual texts. Tattva Gnanartha Darshanam. By studying the scriptures, you will get clarity. All doubts will be dispersed. What is the destiny? What is your goal? What is the purpose of life? This is real knowledge. This is real sadhana. All other things are agnanam. Etat gnanam iti. What he has told till now, etat gnanam, real knowledge. Anyatha. Anyatha, opposed is agnana. Om. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Salutations to Bhagavan Shri Krishna, the Gita Acharya. Salutations to Bhagavan Shri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Shri Sharda Devi and Swami Vivekananda, and all great teachers, all great saints in the whole world. Let us practice the different qualities which take us towards higher reality, which is the real knowledge, which is the truth, which is our real goal. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, from darkness, let us move towards light, ignorance to knowledge. Rub the palms of very nicely, every one of you, and gently roll over your eyelids, please. Forehead, face. Very good. Namaste. So what is your homework? 1 to 6 slokas, reading slowly with meaning. And today you are adding in the evening again another 5 shlokas, 7 to 11. What I suggest, put down all the shlokas, all the words, terms, values, original word, translation in your mother tongue or in English. Then think about it, close your eyes and contemplate it. Contemplation, manthana. Mantra means slowly you are grinding and making it your own. The qualities should be cultivated and constantly, regularly, consistently. Very important, consistently. Don't make it part-time business. Practice as much as possible with awareness, and also pray to the Lord to give you the capacity to practice. It's very important. Who are you to practice? What is your, what you call status quo? What is your, this one in life? Ability in life? Yes, some amount of potentiality is there, but then we need a farmer. We need a guru. So pray to that Supreme Guru, Parama Guru, in the form of Sri Krishna, and we have Sri Ramakrishna, who is embodiment of all these qualities. Mother Saraswati to give us that right wisdom. Then the net result is Shanti, Sukham, Anandam, and Paramagnana. Okay. So today evening, between 6 o'clock and 8 o'clock, make some time, stay put somewhere, and read again and practice. Think about it. Okay. So tomorrow morning we will meet again. Thank you. Namaste. Shubhadinam. Shubharatri. And may God bless you.